Hey YouTube, I just wanted to get on here and do a A-line haircut. I've never done this before, so if you want to see me either make it or break it, keep watching. So what I'm going to be using is 5.5 inch shears, which I picked up at, I think it was Sally's. It's the brand Conair. It came with this comb and the scissors for like $10 or so. And also I will be using these hair ties, a brush, and a mirror. Okay. Without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to brush out my hair. Get all the knots out. Sorry if I'm not looking at the camera. I have a mirror in front of me, which is kind of far away, so I'm hoping I don't mess this up. So what I'm going to do is just kind of split it down the middle. Trying to stay in focus here. Okay. So, since I'm doing the A-line, I kind of want it longer up front than the back. So I'm going to split it in 3 different sections. 2 on the side and 1 in the back, where the top of my crown to the back of my neck meets. So... Okay, so now that I put the hair tie where I want it, I don't like this piece coming off because I'm scared it's going to be longer than the rest. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm going to do it over. Okay. And I'm going to put 2 hair ties, one above where I'm going to cut and one below, just because I don't want hair all over the floor. I might be a little OCD. Okay, so let me push down, let's see. I can always cut it later. I could always make it, you know, shorter if I wanted. But we're going to go with that. Okay. So I have 2 one here and one here. So I'm going to cut right in here. Okay. So I'm gonna cut to make it even. Okay. So I don't know if you can see that. Oh my God. Look at that. Okay, so not as bad as I thought. It's perfect because it's in between my shoulders and my neck where I wanted it. So let's do the front. So I'm gonna comb this out and I'm kind of, gonna cut it at an angle. Let's see. So since I am right-handed and this is my left side, it's going to be harder for me to come down this way. I guess I could try it. So I'm just going to hold it like this and then go down with it. Let's see. By no means am I any type of, have any type of hair license. I'm no professional. I'm just doing this. Oh, this makes me so nervous. Okay. So I'm just going to go up with it. Just because it makes me so nervous. If y'all can see. What did I do? What the? Where's my hair? I can't even see. I'm so nervous. Okay, That's not that bad. It's kind of cute, actually. I like it. Yay! Okay, so let's go to the other side. Comb this out. Someone keeps texting me and it's driving me nuts. Okay. So do the same on this side, kind of pull it together. Hold it as straight as possible. And on this side, I'm going to go down with it. I might have cut the other side a little too short, but we'll see. Let's see. Oh my God. Okay, no, I can do the same. And I kind of measure it and see if it's the same length. Just grab pieces and kind of, you know, just go from the front, bring it to the front. I mean, go to the front, like go to grab pieces from the back and kind of pull them to the front to see if they, I did a good job, measurement wise. It does look a little shorter on this side. It's because my hair has been in a ponytail. Oh my God, what the f. So I'm just gonna go in there and kind of cut what I think is too long or just needs to be trimmed. And I'm just going to grab little sections, and instead of it being so like blunt of a cut, I'm going to, let's see, like for instance here, it's so straight across. I'm going to just kind of like stagger cuts in there, just so it's not so blunt of a cut, and it's let's see what the back looks like. I like it. I think it's pretty cute. So I'm going to wash it, style it, and I'll show you the final results. I just wanted to come on here and show y'all the final look. That is super cute. It's longer up front and shorter in the back. So cute. I think it came out good. It's the front. And then here's the back. Super cute.